that to teach effectively, you must touch their hearts long before you begin to teach their minds. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the staff and the students of the foundation years, I extend a warm welcome to our director, Ms. Avinash Kaur, our principal, Ms. Poonji Kaur, the enrichment head, Ms. Suneshna Sharma, our dear students and dear teachers here. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing this occasion. I hope you're all excited to begin this new session. It's always a joy to see familiar faces and meet new ones as we embark on another year of learning, growth and fun together. Welcome, dear students. You are the heart and soul of Smart Wonders. Each one of you brings your own talent, ideas and energy that make our school vibrant and dynamic. This year is another opportunity for you to learn, explore and challenge yourselves. Embrace it with enthusiasm, curiosity and an open mind. You're a part of an institution that believes in you, supports you and is eager to see you succeed. As we step into this new academic session, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to our incredible teachers. I want to acknowledge the tireless efforts of the teachers who've dedicated themselves to shaping young minds and guiding them towards success. Your passion for education is evident in the way you engage the students, inspiring them to think critically, question relentlessly, and seek knowledge beyond classrooms. Dear students, a new session is like a fresh start, a chance to set new goals, make new friends, and explore new opportunities. This year, we focus on not only the academic excellence, but also teamwork, creativity, and kindness. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for you to learn and improve. Don't be afraid to ask questions, make mistakes, try again, because that's how you'll all grow. Let's embrace each lesson, each experience, each friendship as a chance to grow and evolve. In the pursuit of academic excellence, let us also remember the importance of empathy and compassion. Let's make an effort to reach out to our classmates, lend a helping hand to those in need, and create a supportive environment where kindness prevails. As the saying goes, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Let us continue to build the foundation of excellence that has brought us to where we are today. May this year be full of achievements, friendships, and unforgettable moments. Let's begin the day. Thank you so much, and let's have a wonderful session ahead.
Yo, yo, nam, yo,
Showers of blessing, this is the promise of love. It shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy from the are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing.
Make it fast, tempo.
Showers of blessing, gracious reviving again, over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain. Showers of blessing,
showers of blessing we need.
mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and honor the world. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops down us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Mercy drops down us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Mercy drops down us are falling, but for the showers we plead. For the showers we plead, but for the showers we plead.
Excitement? Clap. Welcome to the adventure of the Super Rules. The classroom adventure begins. The stage is set like a flying colorful classroom with desk, chalkboard and a poster.
Wow, it's such a big school. I'm so excited to be here. I got a new bag, a new bottle. I'm so happy. I want to be the best student ever.
Children, please be quiet.
I want to be the best student ever. I want to be the best student ever.
Why do this holidays have to end? I was having such a good time at home and sleeping till 10 o'clock in the morning.
What are you saying? Huh? I'm so excited to meet my new teachers.
Good morning, students. How are you all? Lovely. How Dolly? Very good. I'm so happy to see you all. But you know, there is something important that is missing in the class. You know what? What's missing? Super rules are missing. And because of them, our class is little messy and noisy. So, will you help me to find those super rules? I will. Don't worry, Stevie will help you out. Thank you. So, please start finding the super rules.
The search for the super rules. The students start searching around the classroom.
Very good.
Under the desk, behind books, and everywhere.
Okay, what does it mean? Raise your hand to speak. It means whenever you want to share something in the class with the teacher, with your friend, you have to raise your hand. Are you with me? Yes. Good. Now let's find some more.
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Yes.
Be polite.
Very good.
Use kind words and be a caring friend.
So now from this rule we understand that we have to use magic words in our class. What are the magic words? Thank you. Please. Sorry. Very good. And when we use these words in our life, you can brighten up anybody's day. Come on, very good. Now let's find some more.
Yes, ma'am. We are looking for it.
Very good.
Miss Tilly, I found one.
Lovely. Very nice.
What do you have? Listen when someone is speaking.
Now,
Listen.
listen when someone is speaking. Are you listening at this time? Sure? Sure? So when there is someone in our class who is speaking to ma'am or to friend, we have to listen. We have to listen to our teachers. We have to listen to our friends. Will you do that in the class? Great. Yes, children, let's find some more rules.
Miss Tilly, how many rules do we need to find?
Just few more.
Okay. Yes, I found one.
Yes.
Help others.
Yes. In the class, we have to help our friends. We have to help our friends in doing the work. Suppose your friend doesn't have crayons. Will you share your colors with your friend? Very good. Yes, children. Let's find some more.
Ma'am, I found one.
Lovely. Both of you have found. Yes.
Ma'am, it says take turns.
Take turns. So in the class, you always have to take turns to speak. It's not that everybody will start talking to ma'am at one time. We have to wait for our turn. Ma'am will definitely listen to you. All right? Yes, ma'am? And this is one of the most important rules, children. You all have to sleep and wake up on time. Yes, very important. If you will sleep on time, you will get up on time in the morning. Right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. There is one more. One more is left. Most important, respect everyone.
So whenever you meet any Didi in the corridor, any teacher in the corridor, what you have to do?
Do your best.
So what if it is afternoon time?
Do
What
your
will you do?
best.
We will wish our Didis, we will wish our teachers whenever we meet them, wherever we meet them. Okay? If it is morning, you have to say good morning, ma'am. If it is afternoon, you have to say good afternoon, ma'am. When you enter the class, remember to wish your Didis, because your Didis help you a lot in many things. Am I right or wrong? Right? Thank you, children. Yes. So now all the rules are here. Now our classroom is ready to learn and have some fun. Are you ready, children?
rules were back in place and everyone became the happiest. Happy new session everyone. Let's make it awesome.